Imagine a world where you can be anything you want to be without hesitation and worry. Welcome to the Metaverse, my friend. This is the future. Hi there, folks. Welcome to Altcoin Capital, where we mainly talk about opportunities on cryptocurrency, real-world markets, and various things regarding money making. But today, I have some news for you. I'm so excited to share this with you because this will be our near future. Before I reveal this exciting news to you, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more money-related informative videos just for you. Also, make sure to click that notification bell so that you'll be notified for every video we'll upload, which will surely pique your interest in the future. So, everyone, here's the news. Xave World Metaverse. I'm sure many of you know what the Metaverse is. It's been a topic since before the pandemic hit, and almost everyone who heard it is looking forward to being part of it. For those who watch this video and don't know what it is a term that originated from a fiction novel called Snow Crash. Well, I haven't read it too, but it'll be interesting to read a book that was made 30 years ago that predicted not just the virtual world, but also the term used for it, Metaverse. It was written by Neil Stephenson in 1992. So if you have time, or you're a bookworm and a reader like me, have a look at it and leave a comment down below on your thoughts and share your insights about it too. The science fiction book described the 3D virtual space that exists within the internet to escape the reality we live in. The science-based human fantasy was featured in some of the big movies released, such as Ready Player One, wherein they used virtual reality as a means of their livelihood. The famous Matrix trilogy. Well, it's not a trilogy anymore since they released a new one. I won't comment on that one. The trilogy movies, where everyone lives in a virtual reality world made by AIs that humankind developed, and the humans that woke up from the virtual reality world had the AI robots as their enemies. That's a scary one, and let's all hope for a positive future to the existing and developing VR world within our own reality. Did you know that since the 20th century, virtual reality has been in the making? Before being introduced for commercial use, it was developed way back for flight simulators and was used by NASA for training their astronauts. Then there were VR consoles, released in the years 1994 and 1995. First was the Sega VR console, a head-mounted arcade simulator. Before this, there was a concept version by Sega, which was announced but unreleased due to technical difficulties. The 1995 version was released by Nintendo and was called Nintendo Virtual Boy. Some don't consider it as virtual reality because of the fact that it only shows a 3D representation of a game and the only supported colors are red and black. It flunked the following year and was considered a failure by Nintendo. Early VR consoles were also used to treat veteran soldiers with PTSD. The therapists have complete control of what they see and feel. This is still a part of current research. It was the year 2012 when VR console was considered again. It was this year when a Kickstarter fund was started for the Oculus console. $2.5 million worth of fund was raised for the modern VR revolution. 2014 was the year when Facebook bought Oculus and Sony announced a VR project for PS4. Ever since there was a game that could simulate another world where we can have another identity, it was considered to be Metaverse. An example of this is the game called Second Life, a game from 2003 which was used for social hangouts and interactions. In 2016, the Second Life developers Linden Lab made a VR system, Sensar, which works by connecting the VR console to a personal computer. The developer considered it as a WordPress for VR. In other words, it was considered as if it was a website creator, but in the field of virtual reality. The developers envisioned this as a massive project that could be used for commercial use. Features that include not only social interactions, but also selling products and manufactures through the virtual world. They had an Egyptian tomb scene inside the virtual world where they proved that it could also be used for other purposes and not just social interactions. The developers also attracted big companies such as Levi's Jeans and Fnatic, one of the top esports organizations globally. Unfortunately, they had to sell it to a startup company, Wookiee Project Corp, because they had a small profit from it, and it's a system that requires a long-term investment that they couldn't handle at the time. Sansar then had a narrow scope of entertainment purpose, focusing on Live's event destination, wherein you can meet others to interact and attend virtual concerts from your favorite artists. Xave World Metaverse, our main topic for today, and our potential future to the virtual world, made the same concept but better. They launched in December last year, and it looks like they are ahead of the Facebook Metaverse or Meta. Xave World Metaverse focuses on a virtual world for art, cryptocurrency, and blockchain. It is an expanding and changing virtual world where you can have unique experiences and interact with your favorite artists and music styles. The people behind Xave World are geniuses. I said that because they made their own crypto wallet wherein you transact or store your currencies for Xave World. It's a big thing, really. They can control the gas fees when transacting, or other ways that can give them an advantage just by having their own crypto wallet. They also have their coin called Xave Coin or XVC, which will be used for transacting inside the metaverse, for availing and selling NFTs in its own NFT marketplace, purchasing tickets, and endless possibilities for this expanding, open virtual world. They released the first city for Xave World, which is called Go Music City. It has its stadium, where you can watch live broadcasts, experience concerts, and attend exclusive events if you're really into it. Imagine, without the need to go outside, travel, and wait for a long line just to participate in real-world events. In the safe confines of your home, you can enjoy different experiences through this virtual world, and maybe meet your favorite artists in a pub. Well, that sounds exciting! You can just chill in a spot and meet your favorite artists that would be hard to meet in real life because of long distances. The main goal of Xave World makers is to help artists easily interact with their fans and help them distribute their art without the confines of different variables in the real world. What I'm talking about is when you're in the real world, you have fees to pay for just recording. Then there's distributing your work and advertising it. It will be hard for the artists who have a declining income and will hinder their recovery in the industry. This opportunity is not only for the artists who want to recover, but also for people who aspire to be one. To start in a way that will be easier, in a way that the funds will be much less of a problem, and the hustle will surely pay off. A wonderful thing in Xave World is that you can earn XVC, NFTs, or various rewards by playing and participating in multiple contests, watching content, searching for items, performing tasks, or participating in surveys. For those who love to grind in online games and at the same time love music, you can spend most of your time here. I mean, why not? You can earn and have fun in an immersive way. They also have theaters, so why watch alone? Or why go out just to watch a movie? You can buy tickets within the Xave World and enjoy shows from artists worldwide. If you want to try this metaverse and experience a new world, you can go to their Twitter account and register to participate in the Xave World. You can win a ticket to a live concert in the Xave Arena and have fun interacting with other people. I hope that we'll meet you there and have a good time in this new virtual world. Who says it's a science-based human fantasy? This is the present and the future. Sooner or later, more virtual worlds will develop and they'll be a staple part of our daily lives. Before I end this video, I want to make a disclaimer. We are not promoters of Xave World Metaverse, nor do we endorse any part of it. We are just investors who have experience in the cryptocurrency and real-world market. We just want to share this with you because that'll be a new thrilling experience for each and every one of us. So, before you check their Twitter account for that live concert, make sure you leave a comment down below on your thoughts to the developing metaverse and our possible future with it. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. We would love to make more videos to inform and share these awesome things with you. So, until next time,